Hey guys, Joshua here from FringewareStudios, and today I'm going to show you how you can build a very basic preset. That is what we'll be building today. It's called the shaker effect. And let's dive right into this. Let's grab our image, and let's drag it in, and let's go ahead and grab a slider control from the effects and presets panel. And let's name this first one frequency. You can rename it by pressing enter or return on max. And let's duplicate it and rename this one, excuse me, magnitude. Oh, I spelled magnitude wrong there. Whoopsies, magnitude. So now we have two slider controls, but they really aren't parented to anything. And let's change that. Let's pull up our position, and let's alt click the stopwatch. And you type in wiggle, open parenthesis, parent the first half to frequency, comma, and parent the second half to magnitude, close parenthesis. So now you can adjust it. However, you see there's this black area around it, and let's get rid of that because that does not look realistic at all. Let's grab motion tile, drag it right over, and raise the output width and height to 150. And now you want to click mirror edges. I didn't mean to click it just now, but that was complete and total luck. Because when you mirror the edges, it kind of carbon copies the image, but in a mirror fashion. Whereas if you didn't have mirror edges on, it was just a recreation of the image. So now we have this, where we can adjust the frequency and the shake, but you can see it's not that realistic. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable motion blur and turn it on. So now, I'm sorry my computer runs slow, but as you can see, there's a bit of motion blur on there. And when you watch it back, it looks a lot more realistic. Ow. Still my foot. Now let's go ahead and let's turn this into a preset. Let's grab from frequency, magnitude, motion tile. Let's grab all three of those. And let's grab our position. One thing I forgot to mention just now. You want to reset everything to 0. Because if you save the preset, it's always going to have that. And so let's grab our frequency, motion tile, magnitude. Let's grab position. And let's click this button right here. Create new animation preset. And you want to make sure you save it in the user presets folder. And I'm going to go ahead and save over mine. As you can see, I call it shaker. And you can name it whatever you want. I call it the shaker. Shaker, it's more of an earthquake, but I prefer the name shaker. So now let's replace. Let's go ahead and now let's go grab our shaker. It's an animation presets, user presets, shaker. And as you can see, it's all right here. Everything you need. So that's basically it, guys. Subscribe, like, follow me on Twitter at Joshua13. I'll put a link in the description. As I get more subscribers, likes, and views, I'm gonna get into the more advanced stuff like Video Copilot's Twitch, lens flares, the new program Element 3D, and when I eventually want to be getting into particular and all the red giant trap code stuff later on in the year, maybe a little later, but I want to get into that ASAP, however you pronounce it, and to do that I need a lot of subscribers and viewers because, well, red giant, it's expensive, and while I don't get a lot of monetization money, every penny counts. So, you can post these on Facebook if you're only friends with After Effects people who don't know how to create earthquake effects. Alright, yeah, so like, subscribe, post on Facebook, post on Twitter, post on Path, post on Tumblr, Stumble Upon, and did I say Tumblr?